Melissa's coming out to check out the car real quick. She hasn't seen this yet. This is the new 2019. Okay guys, I was not intending to do a video on the 2019 Macan. Had it for a couple hours, but I'm blown away. It's really a good, for a base model, this is really a super car to drive. And so, even though it's dirty, and I only got a few minutes with it, we're going to go through it real quick, and this is just a first impression. This is by no means an in-depth review of this car, but if you want to know what we think, and we've had a lot of cars, and we've owned several Porsches, I'm going to let you know what we think about this one. All right, this is a 2019 Macan. It's got a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine with 248 horsepower and 273 pound-foot of torque. It is in a beautiful Dolomite silver metallic. It's got a standard interior in black with some beautiful piano black accent in it. The only real options on this car, it's got a heated multifunction GT steering wheel, the roof racks, those 20-inch wheels, which are really good looking wheels. Those look like something you might see on an S model. Clear tail lights, and the premium package Plus, which includes Bose surround sound system, auto dimming mirrors, Porsche entry and drive, LEDs, and then seat ventilation, panoramic roof, 14-way seats, and heated seats front and rear. Also has an option which is Apple CarPlay, which includes Siri. Yes, I love the look of it. The whole, I like the clear tail lights with the silver look, and then the chrome accents really pull it all together. For the smaller version of the Porsche SUVs, it really has quite a bit of space back here. And it does have pass-throughs that you can take advantage of. A little bit of storage netting there, tie downs, 12-volt outlet, another little storage area right there. Very useful spot, very useful truck. You could definitely take it for a week outing. Very pretty. Actually, quite a bit of easy to get to stuff going on in here. Well, there's the guts for the few people that ever bother to look inside of a Porsche SUV. It's a 2-liter turbo inline 4. All right, as you can see, that's the auto off, the lane keeping assist, ventilated seats, heated seats, dual zone temperatures in the front, sport button, traction control, and an off-road button. Not that people will be doing that much, but it does seem to have some pretty good ground clearance on it. And of course, it's got the PDK shifter, which you can pull down, slap to the left to keep in gear and take advantage of the shifter pedals, which is awesome. It's a really good looking wheel when you look at it too. I like the little pass-throughs here. There's a lot of chrome and metal going on there, but if you ever use these, it's just very intuitive and very easy to use. The paddles are awesome as far as ergonomically is concerned. You always have your cruise control down here. Porsche cruise control is a little hard to get used to if you haven't used it before, but once you use it, it becomes very easy to use, and it's been the same since we've had our 996, generally speaking. You got your center cluster display with your speedometer, your tach. The right-hand side has got a small LED display, which handles a lot of the same functions that the large center screen handles also. And you have your little clock in the center, kind of like your chrono on your 911s. All right, Melissa, first impressions. She just walked out. She's working from home. And what's your first impressions? What do you think about the color on this?
I like it. It's pretty. Ooh, I love the leather. It's soft.
That's really pretty.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Oh, look at the display. Big. The nose.
It is keyless entry. Good. Rev it. That's all you got? All right.
Oh, I love the display.
All right. Now, Melissa's the Porsche driver in our family. You can see we have some other things, but the 4S that we've got is her daily driver. So what do you think? Doesn't it feel just like your 911 you've got now? Put your hands on the wheel.
It does.
You know where the cruise control is? Yep. It's just everything falls right into place. That's the way Porsche does stuff. Of course, your keys on the left-hand side, as usual. A brand new touchscreen display. Yeah, it's really cool. It's a lot nicer than the last one. And I'm not saying anything bad about the last gen, but they've certainly made some improvements. Check out the panoramic roof.
Oh.
And it is a sunroof also. If you pull that center button in there, the big center one, pull it towards you. I mean, it's a really big sunroof, and it's glass all the way back. So it really gives an open feel to it in here, doesn't
Lots
it?
of room back there, too.
Mm-hmm. And the display is beautiful. It's got like piano black accents to it and chrome with the black interior, and then the display is a huge LED, and it also has additional display on the right hand side of the behind the steering wheel. The center display also duplicates a lot of the functions on the main display with the little turn dial on the right hand side. But it's got all the stuff you would expect with a Porsche to have. Lots of safety features. It's got the lane change assist. It has the lane keep assist. It has 3-person memory settings for the seating and some of the other functions in the car. Lumbar, of course. Driver for your daily driver?
Yes.
Yes. I think you're gonna take it out in a little bit. You're so pretty. All right, what do you think? You've had it for a day. You've been driving it around for a day or two.
I really like it.
What do you like about it?
It's small enough you can park it. It's big enough you've got lots of room for people and for storage, for trips or whatever. It drives really nice. It's got lots of pick-me-up.
Pick-me-up? Is that the southern term for torque and acceleration?
You knew what I was talking about, so I guess it works.
It's a 2-liter turbo. It has, I think the sticker price on it was like $65,000, and this is the base model, but it does have some extras like the Premium Package Plus, which comes with a lot of extra things like LED headlights and the power seats and the heated and ventilated seats, things of that nature. So I think that would have to be a plus, a positive. The 20-inch wheels were a $4,200 extra. That's quite a step up, but it is a good looking truck.
The visibility's good. I seem to remember the last one we drove, it was hard to see around you. It had a blind spot or two. This one you can see really well around you.
Thanks to Melissa for riding along for a minute and giving us her opinion. So what's the verdict? Would I buy the new Macan? Absolutely. This is a really good car, a really good SUV. I'm really surprised. When I got it for a loaner, I was like, yeah, the first gen was still a good car, or the last gen was a good car. But this one, the driving experience is so much better. I don't know what they've done, but no turbo lag, very linear acceleration. It handles very well. Ergonomically, the wheel is awesome. It feels just like the 911. All the controls feel just the same. Dynamically, the brakes were outstanding. Really corners well. You'll find yourself accidentally doing 90 miles an hour on the interstate, and you won't have any idea that you're doing it, except for the cars fly by you. Not that I did that, but you could. You could find that out. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. This is a really quick video, I know. I just had the truck for a couple hours and got to go help my daughter move, so I got to get on that. But and I really wasn't planning on making a video, but I was so impressed by it that I thought I'd spend a few minutes and share Melissa's and my first impressions. Again, thanks for joining the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, comment down below, and share with your friends. And check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you soon at the Full Octane Garage. They still have a cigarette lighter. Awesome. Phone?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
It's supposed to be on.